Alright, so we just checked in to our place in Kyoto. We're about to head out for some dinner and probably explore the old district for a while, check out some stuff. I was also planning earlier that before we went to Japan that we would maybe take a trip to Hiroshima. Well, due to recent events, I think that was a pretty good idea not to do that, because obviously with the flooding and everything like that and the damage caused by those events, it's pretty bad. So instead, it's Kyoto. Instead, we're gonna probably temple jumping a bit, eating some good food, exploring the city itself. It's really hot. Like we're constantly tired. Every time we go back in the hotel or the Airbnb, we're just tired from the heat, the sweat. You should really just avoid the summer as much as possible and just only focus on coming to Asia during either the winter or probably the fall season would be the best. First night in Kyoto, loving it so far. Really, the food we just had was very, very pleasant. Hajime Gai, I think it's called. First time having a kaiseki-like style food, and definitely lived up to my sort of expectations. So the first night in Kyoto, very nice, very like atmospheric and scenic, just what I wanted. So now we're gonna go and check out some shrines before heading in for an early morning to hopefully Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. Hopefully the flooding, whatever, is all good. So yeah, let's go. Went to the bamboo forest. Honestly, very beautiful, very scenic. Worth the trip, worth the early morning trip here. And there was like no one there, which was awesome. There was only maybe a couple or two. Obviously now people are starting to slowly come in. This was too good to miss out on, especially we have a pretty tight schedule. We have a day more here after this day, and then we're heading to Osaka for 3 days, and then Nara before heading back to Tokyo. So I really want to get the most out of Kyoto, and so far Kyoto has lived up to every expectation I had. So I'm pretty happy about this. This is my extensive review of Boss Black Coffee. Four out of 10? Yeah, 4 out of 10. Monkey Town, close time, 16:30. Stairs. You gotta be kidding me. There's more stairs. Huh? 7 minutes? 2? 20 minutes walk to see the monkeys. Better be worth it. Holy smoke. 또 잡아. Alright, just got done with the monkeys. We had a blast. Now it's back to our hotel. So we just went to the Kizumiya, sadly closed, but we were rewarded at least for the hike with this amazing sunset view. Worth it, I guess. it's time for another extensive review by me, and I'm reviewing the Suntory Watermelon Edition. I believe this is a cider. Looks good. Alex have like a summer edition with like a peach, but you know, I thought it looked too girly. So we're gonna try this out. Oh, I like this. Mm-hmm. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. It's actually pretty good. Like, it has the watermelon hint, but not too much. Not like this artificial one. Or maybe artificial, but still good. Yeah, good.
When the night comes cold and the lilies die and the moon is the only that will see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long I can stand in my hand. So darling, darling, stand by me.
それに伴い指示を西の通りでご注意ください。次の指示を西の下り